Hey guys, I think it's time to finally put out that decoration on the door for Easter to welcome everybody who comes in and to see you. Now I got this at the Dollar Tree for $5. It's really cute just how it is, but I want to kind of make it my own and maybe just a little bit more upscale or high-end maybe. What I'm going to do, though, because it is so cute, like by itself, this there's chicken wire here and a little bit of moss and whatnot, is I'm going to dig into all my rando flowers that are just not used and whatnot, and I'm going to just make this my own. And you can do this too for $5 and extra pieces that you've had left over from flower arrangements and whatever, and you can make this for your front door super easy. Just plug in your Sherbonder and start putting things where you think they go. Now you always want to start with a larger focal point so that it will bring your eye to the main decoration of your product. So I'm going to stick a couple of white big daisies there in the middle. Then what I'm going to do is add color. And Easter and spring always remind me of beautiful pale colors, so I've picked out some pinks and purples and whites and yellows and whatnot that I think are going to really look pretty. So I'm going to take a few of these and stick those in here at the side to make an offset balance here. Now you don't have to go symmetrical like I'm doing here. I just particularly like symmetry. Sometimes asymmetrical looks best. But I'm going to do this all on one side, like this is the bunny, just one bunny's ear being decorated. And I'm going to fit in some different colors and different textures and types of flower. There are a few extra roses that I had in an arrangement, and it just adds a little bit of creamy color. Now we're going to go for some rose. There, that's so cute. And I think this is going to be really pretty. Look how simple this is to make it look so high-end. I think this looks high-end. When you look on the internet for things like this, they're always so ridiculously expensive. And when you hand make it and handcrafted, as it were, it really brings something extra to the table. Now, here are some little pieces of lavender. And I think pretty much all of these I got at either in an old flower arrangement or from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. So if you want to go and buy new flowers, you don't have to spend a lot on your little flower arrangements or bouquets from places like Walmart or the Dollar Tree. Now we're going to the bottom or the ends of the little arrangement here, and as you see, we have larger flowers, smaller flowers, and then little, I don't know, I would call these finish up flowers. They're small ones that just kind of give you direction to the arrangement. I am not a flower arranger, so I don't know technical terms. I just know what I like. And that's what's important. When you decorate for your house, you need to make what you like. And, you know, when you got to look at it every day, it's kind of important that it's something that you think is pretty. Ivy feels like it goes with this. But whether I can make it go with this or not, that is the question. To our ears. I like that. I think I'm going to see what a few more down here would do. This is just drawing your eye to new pieces of the item to make it look, I don't know, full and more natural, I would say. But I'm not sure if I care for that. I like the idea anyway. I think that's it. That's it. That's cool. So I'm going to go through after you've placed it, and then you can just tag a little bit of glue where you want it to stay, and hopefully it will stay. Wow, that's really cute. I took $5 and extras, and I think this looks like at least $20 to $25. I'll just tag a little bit on the back here. Oh, that's weird. The hot glue is very hot. Careful with your hot glue, y'all. Don't burn yourself or anything you don't want to have glue all over for sure. I am a hot glue. I cannot do super glue. If I try super glue, I will get it all over myself, all over everything that I'm working on, and everything that I'm not working on. I'm serious. I'm not kidding. If any of you actually watched this far, I'm telling you right now, I got it in my nose once. And if you're interested in that story, mention it in the comments, and I may just tell you about it. Now, there we go. Once you get all your stuff there, this comes with its own little loop to hang it up with and everything. But how about that, guys? I'm going to go hang it up and see how it looks. Be back in a minute.
Please subscribe and hit that bell.